session. So before getting into the session, we'll look for a couple of breakout stocks. So we'll see how to validate a proper breakout. Then we'll get into our today's session. Okay. So this is one of the stock which I'm referring to, which has a monthly breakout, which is a clear breakout with a good volume. So we'll just plot the chart. It was just a week over, and here we have a good spinning top plus our confirmation. It is one of our setup, and we can see a good fall as expected. And again, after the corona, there was a good rise. Here we got double top. Here 48 was the high, and again here 47.30. It is a double top, and it was not much respected, right? It got a double top. Sorry, it got respected. 47 was the high, and 33 was the low, right? So it got opened here and went up till here, and it got closed here. So almost some 20% drop in the price as per our double top pattern. So, and right now what is happening in the stock is we are having a good breakout. Here we are having a very good breakout. We'll go to next. We will see the weekly chart. As the week has got over, even the month is got over, but still we'll look for the weekly chart so that we will see. We'll be able to see like how far we got a confirmation in the weekly chart we are seeing, right? So if you go ahead and plot the resistance and support. So this was the very good supply zone. Okay, I believe you guys are able to see the supply zone here. And above the supply zone, it has given a closure. The closure is above. This is going to be the one supply zone 1, 2, 3, 4, and previously it was a support. Right now it was a clear resistance, and again this was one support previously, and this one was one resistance. So almost 7 to 8 times this zone, which is like 47.5, was a very clear supply zone, and right now we got a very clear breakout with a huge volume. If you look at the volume candle, it is around 8.5 million stocks has been traded in the last week. And we'll get into the delivery data for checking about the how far the delivery has been taken in the stock. So we have gone to delivery data, as I have already thought about this. How to check the delivery data. So if you don't know the stock name exactly, you can just take it from here. TN Petro. If you type TN Petro, you will get it. So we are going to check for 1 week. Okay, 7 days, or we can select the time period. Okay, just give me one quick. Okay, the week ended on 26th. So we'll see what from 22nd to 26th, we'll select the date and we'll go to get data, so that we'll be getting the weekly data. If you look at the weekly data, if you can manually calculate the percentage, you can do it, or else you can go to download file in CSV format, so that we'll be getting the file in CSV format. So there we can calculate the closing price. If we can see all the data, but still we'll calculate with the deliverable quantity. So from the total traded quantity, we'll go to the Excel and look into that data.
Naga, we are not able to see. I think you're doing something in the CSV file, right? Only this Chrome is share, right?
Oh, okay. 1 second. Here we are going to calculate the total delivery quantity. Okay, delivery percentage we are checking. So for that, we need to calculate the total traded quantity for the whole week, which is going to be 85 lakhs 98,570 is the total traded quantity. out of which what is going to be the delivery percentage. We are going to check it by averaging this. So the average is around 47.29. Let us 47.29. So out of 85 lakhs, 47%, almost if we are getting going to round off, let us assume it is going to be 50%. Out of 85 lakhs, 50% is going to be around 42.5 lakhs, right? Or if we are rounding it off with like 86 lakhs, so 43 lakhs is being like for delivery quantity. So far we have seen couple of things. One is going to be the real breakout with the huge volume, and what we justified is with the data. So this is how we have to justify with the data. Go to delivery data, NSE delivery data, and I'll give you the link for this as well. Okay. So this is how we have to validate it with technicals and with the data. So this is going to be like our clear breakout, and our next target is going to be around, this is going to be our next target. 58 will be the next target. The next target will be around 62 and 65, 64.5 or 65 will be seeing. So from here we will be seeing another 20 to 25% upside. That is what is our analysis says. So let me, yeah, this is target 1. This is going to be our target 2, and this can be our target 3. So I'll obviously post the chart in the group as well. We'll take a snapshot. So this is how we have to analyze. So, and with this volume candle, we can see like very huge volume has been traded last week, and that too 48% of delivery has been taken, and there is no rejection from the upside. So the high was 51.35 and it has closed at 50.45, and the low is around 39. So the movement is almost for 20%. In the last week the movement has been for 24.11%. You can see it here. So, and the rejection is around just only 2%, less than 2% we can say. So obviously this is a very good breakout with no much rejection. We can take this stock for delivery. Okay. Any questions? Any questions on this before getting into our next stock? No questions?
Naga, one small.
Yeah.
There is one 50.45, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 50.45. There is lot of pins are getting rested there, big sir. So, and that be also a resistance.
Yeah, this is a very, yeah, you're telling about this one, right?
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Because of that it has got closed below this, because
So,
of this resistance only. This is going to be a minor resistance. When we got a clear breakout at after closing above multiple resistance, this is 1, 2, 3, this one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more confirmation is going to be this is a double top, and double top is broken and closed at a huge level beyond this, right? The double top is around 46.85, and it has closed above almost some 5 rupees is going to be 10% for this stock. Double top has been broken, so we can take it as a good breakout. This one is going to be a very small resistance. It will be taken out. It can give a retest and again fly away. So, but again, if we are getting a chance to grab it here, we can again take some quantities, but definitely this can go upside.
Okay.
Yeah.
The same thing is happening in the downside also, no? You can. Did you get it? Hello?
Yeah, I didn't get your question. What is that?
Actually, the same thing is happened also in downside. Can you see the big drop here?
Which one?
This one. From first drop.
It happened last year. So
No,
there is
no.
no meaning.
No, actually, just for my confirmation, is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 50 is the entry, and from there is a huge fall. Is it correct?
Yeah, this is a doji, and there is a confirmation. From there, it started its rally, and obviously we are able to see a trend line as well. So our yesterday's topic, how to plot a trend line, that is also done. So it has like fourth time it has touched, and it is moving up. One, it didn't touch here. It touched exactly here, and this is the third time. So definitely it will go up. And here we have a good bullish engulfing, and it is a closure above the huge supply zone. It is a very clear breakout. We can go for positional in the stock.
Okay.
Okay. So shall we get into our next stock? So this is also one stock which I am referring to. This is you can see a huge volume, very huge volume indeed. In last 3 years, it is going to be the largest volume since it started trading. This is going to be the first time it has given such a huge volume and a very clear breakout. Same kind of reason. We can check with this as well. So this is going to be third time. As per our setup, what will happen? That has happened. So this is 1, 2, and 3, and we got a trend reversal here as well. Okay, and if you look at the targets, here we go, and after 1.6, after 1.618, we can see a good there can be a small drop. That will be a retest at this place. Okay, so if you go to our supply zone, this is our supply zone. So once hitting this target 1.618, there can be a small drop, or we can see a retest till this zone. So from there we can again go for a buy here. This is also one good stock. We can take it up for delivery. If you want, you can just go ahead and check with the delivery date as well, as I showed just now. Okay, so Aditya Birla Capital has given a clear breakout. It is almost after a couple of years it has given this breakout, and obviously this is a third setup, third point as per our trend line concept. So obviously this will be a very good pick, and it can give some another 25 to 30%. It is a very normal profit times meaning, but it can give huge as well. Looking at the structure, it can give huge as well. Okay, any questions on this?
Yeah, can you show the delivery data here?
Here itself, the volume candle, with the volume candle, we can say somewhere around 84.5 million, meaning almost close to 84 lakhs stocks has been traded. That is what is showing here. Total traded quantity. If you just add this, download the Excel, and you can add it. So 84 lakhs has been traded, out of which we are seeing it is going to be around 20, 50, 75, 100, 125. So almost 28% of delivery has been taken from 84 lakhs. This is also a good one to grab it. Okay. So the volume and the candle itself shows like it is the breakout is very clear. Once it broke this one, we could have entered here itself. Now it has broken multi-year breakout. Given a multi-year breakout, it is almost after happening after a couple of years, almost couple of years. We can take this as well.